New cleaning products to check out: Chlorine Bathroom Stain Fighting Gel, Chlorine Bathroom Cleaner with bleach, the spray, Lysol Clean and Fresh Multiple Surface, and then we have the Renews It to freshen up your home on a budget at just a little over $1.18 each. And they have a multi-room usage. Disinfectant wipes, of course, this is an off-brand. They all work just the same, in my opinion, and at half the price. And then we have a spray disinfectant. Always need that in your home as well. Kills germs, odors, and prevents mold and mildew at just $1.25. And then one of my favorite cleaners, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. These are great for the bathroom. They even have a set for the kitchen, and I even use these on my stairs. Glass cleaner and wipes, no ammonia. I just discovered these a little while back, and I think these are great. Dawn Antibacterial was on sale this week, so I got a big bottle of that, 50% less scrubbing. And then, of course, I got my laundry packs. Gain Odor Defense, which is my favorite. 2 packs of that. For more cleaning tips and motivation, check out my main channel.